Well, today is Thursday, September 8th, and the latest thing I've done is to install the pedal box, including the two separate front and rear master cylinders. So here are the master cylinders. Here are the pedals. The pedal is a modified Mustang throttle by wire. And also the throwout bearing came in, which I put on the front of the transmission you see there. And I should have everything I need now to assemble the engine transmission. Got the bell housing there, starter, the flywheel index plate, bolts, the clutch arm, and the drive shaft is here. And over here we have the oil pan and windage tray. So probably start working on that next. I've got to get the engine hoist together first. It's here. Is the engine hoist. Already took it out of the box. And here I have an engine stand, also needs to put together. So that'll probably be my next task, is to put those things together and then start assembling the engine. The next task on the instructions is to start applying sheet metal. I've skipped over the fuel tank because I'm missing the fuel tank cover, which goes under the fuel tank's piece of plastic baby that protects it, basically, that protects it from rocks and whatnot. And that obviously goes right here. That's all for now.